let's learn how to navigate Canvas. First, head to this website, or if you'd rather, you can download an app for your mobile device. Pause the video here to learn how to install and to log in to the app. Our tutorial will be for the website, but you'll find that the navigation is very similar. First thing you'll see is the dashboard. Click up on Account and Profile. Then hit the Edit Profile button. Now yours may not be off to the side here, yours might be down below. If you don't see it there, scroll down and see if you can find it. Click Edit Profile, fill in the name, title, tell us a little bit about yourself, and click on the picture. When you do, you can upload a picture from your computer or mobile device, or you can take a picture using the camera on your computer or mobile device. When you are ready, take the picture and save. Now save your profile. All right, let's head to Settings. Edit Settings. Again, that button may not be to the side, it may be down below. Check that all this information is correct, and most importantly, make sure your time zone is correct. That will be essential if we set up appointments. You can check your email here, make sure the address is right, and if you want to add a phone number to get text alerts, you can put that information in here. Update your settings. Now, last one, notifications. You can set this up however you want. My recommendation is to put everything on X except for announcement and the appointment, signups, cancellations, and availability. I think those are going to be the most useful. Now head to Dashboard, and you can choose your class. Right now, let's take a look at the faculty training. Here we will have the current week's training, the micro module. If you want to check out past weeks, you can do it there. Here you can sign up for your monthly chat, your 30-minute chat. And when you're ready for the chat, you can click on this button and it will take you right to Zoom. Now, clicking on this button to set up your appointment is the same as clicking on this button in the global navigation bar, but I'm just put it here so that it would be more convenient. Once you're here, look under Appointments, click Find Appointments. Your program will come up, you hit Submit, and then all of the available appointments will be posted. You can take a look at the day and the time that works for you. When you find the right one, go ahead and click it. Double check time and date. If that's what you want, hit Reserve, and you can see that that's ghosted out. You will only see ones that are available to you. As soon as one is booked, that no longer shows up for other people to see. If, however, you need to change your appointment, go ahead and click on the one that is ghosted, your appointment, and then just click Unreserve. Now you're all set. Let's head back to Dashboard and to our class. And when it's time for your appointment, you can click the Zoom button. It will take you right there. So as you're looking at your micro trainings, if you feel like if you're not sure how to get back to this front page, just click Home, and that will get you back to the home page where these options can be found. Well, that should be enough to get you started. Contact your coordinator if you have more questions.